the emergency alert system.
Here we go.
The Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency
Of
alert system test.
This special alert
Of course! First time in a while I get a KDK RWT capture and they fail the pre-roll. Mark the time. Yeah, thank you, Chicopee. 9:08 p.m. Alright, WBZ's going.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Today's marketers report Erica Taylor.
Sure. Earlier tonight, things began organically, and now it's feeling forced. Like all the Pirates of the Caribbean sequels.
Okay, that makes sense. I mean, the mood's a little different now. We don't have to rush.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the New York City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Not even a cozy sleeper car?
Stop talking about train!
Who's killing the mood now?
All right, Upton, good job. You are close to on time today.
Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on Station Code 35 from New York City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in southeast New York: Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. In northern and central New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut: Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio KZZ31 in Hamburg, New Jersey. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in quick working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in northern New Jersey, southeast New York State, and northeast Pennsylvania, and New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hunterton, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. In Pennsylvania, Monroe, Northampton, Pike and Wayne. And in New York, Orange, Rockland, and Sullivan. This concludes the weekly Test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KZZ31 in Hamburg, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather.